back to my channel. This is a question from class 9 number system chapter. The question says rationalize 1 by root 7 plus root 3 minus root 2. Children, till now we have rationalized when the denominator are 2 terms, okay, but here we have 3 terms. So in such cases we have to do rationalizing 2 times. Let us see the step-by-step procedure. Now first step, what I am going to do is I am trying to group root 7 and root 3 together. You can even group root 3 minus root 2, okay, it's up to you. So here, now consider this as one term and this as another term. Then what will be the rationalizing factor? The rationalizing factor will be root 7 plus root 3 plus root 2 by root 7 plus root 3 plus root 2, okay. Now let us multiply the numerator with, it is 1, so we will be getting root 7 plus root 3 plus root 2 as it is by, now this is a and this is b, so it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So we will be getting root 7 plus root 3 whole square minus root 2 square. So children, see here, the numerator remains the same, and denominator we can observe here the identity of a plus b whole square. I am trying to write the identity over here. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, okay. Now that is what I am going to apply here. So we will be getting root 7 square plus b square plus 2ab. So 2 into root 7 into root 3 minus root 2 square is 2. Okay, so now let us simplify. Root 7 plus root 3 plus root 2 by root 7 square is 7, root plus root 3 square is 3 plus 2 into root 7 into root 3 is 2 root 21 minus 2. Children, before we proceed, let us understand some basic things. Children, let us understand some basic things over here. Let us discuss about the operations on radicals. Whenever you add or subtract radicals, in the previous video also we have discussed what is a radical, okay. This is called the radical symbol, this is called the radicand, and this is called the index. For square root sums, the index is 2, okay. Whenever you add radicals, it should have same index and same radicand. That means I'll be able to add root 3 and root 3 together, which will become 2 root 3. That means whenever you are adding, just add the coefficient. Same thing, whenever you are subtracting, you can subtract only with the same radicand and same index. So 2 root 2 minus root 2 will become 1 root 2, okay. Whereas when you multiply two radicals, say for example a and b, here if you observe, index is the same, both are square root only, but here the radicand is a, here the radicand is b. So whenever you multiply, the index should be same, then it will become square root of ab. That means you multiply the radicals, okay, the radicands. Multiply the radicands. That means root 3 into root 3 will become root of 3 into 3 is 9. That's the reason root 9 is 3. Okay. Same way, if it is root 2 into root 3, since the index is same, multiply the radicands. It will become root 3 into 2 is 6. Is it clear? So this is something basic. Let us proceed to our sum. So what we will be getting here, root 7 plus root 3 plus root 2 by 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 minus 2 is 8, 8 plus 2 root 21. Now in the denominator, can we take 2 common? Yes? Okay. So let us take 2 common in the denominator. So what we will be getting, 2 times 4 is 8. So I should write here 4 plus I have taken 2 common, so I am left with root 21. If you observe, here we can rationalize it. What is the rationalizing factor for this? It will be 4 minus root 21 will be the rationalizing factor. So let us proceed. So root 7 plus root 3 plus root 2 by 2 times 4 plus root 21 into the rationalizing factor is 4 minus root 21. So multiply it with the numerator and denominator. Now observe here what we will be getting. These are three terms. It's a trinomial. Here it is a binomial of radicals. So whenever you multiply trinomial and binomial, make sure each and every term gets multiplied. That means first you multiply 4 with all these three terms, then followed by all the three terms. So let us start multiplying. 4 into root 7. Okay, 4 into root 7 is 4 root 7 plus 4 root 3 plus 4 root 2. Now when you are multiplying the negative root 21, make sure all the signs will get changed, because this is negative, all these terms are positive. So negative into positive is negative. So all we will get as 3 negative terms. Okay, root 21 into root 7. So we can write it as root of 7. So we will get minus root of 3 into 21 minus root of 2 into 21 by 2 times again a plus b into a minus b. Now if you observe, the irrational number becomes rational, because we'll be getting 4 square minus root 21 square. So in the numerator, let us simplify. Children, before we proceed, just let us understand few things here. Here we have 7 into 21, right, within square root. So can I write it as root of 7 into this 21? Can I write it as 7 times 3? Since it is square root, if I pair this 2, these are same numbers. So 1 7 will come out and root 3 remains the same. So 7 into root 21 can be written as 7 root 3. Okay. So 4 root 7 plus 4 root 3 plus 4 root 2 minus, this is 7 root 3 minus, same thing, this one we can write it as 3 into, I am telling within the square root, 21 can be written as 3 into 3 into 7. So here 3 is making a pair, so we can write it as 3 root 7. So minus 3 root 7 minus 2 into 21, we can't get any pairs of numbers, so write square root of 42. Okay, by 2 into 4 square is 16 minus root 21 square is 21. Let us see the like terms over here. Let us see the like terms. 4 root 7 and negative 3 root 7 are like terms. So 4 root 7 minus 3 root 7 is 1 root 7, or simply we can put it as root 7. Next one, if you observe, 4 root 3 and negative 7 root 3 are like terms. So we will be getting negative 3 root as it is, 4 root 2 and minus 4 root 42 as it is, by 2 into 16 minus 21 is minus 5, right? Now see here, in the denominator we will be getting negative 10. That negative sign we are writing in the numerator, and we will write these terms as it is. Okay, so what is the final answer here? When we put this negative sign, we can write, like, we can stop it here, or we can open the bracket and change the signs. Now since this is negative sign, all the signs of this 4 terms will change. So I'll start with the positive number here. Minus into minus is plus, so 3 root 3. Then you can write the other numbers. So plus into minus is minus root 7. This will become minus 4 root 2, and this will become plus root 42 by 10. This is our final answer. Hope you like this video. For more such interesting questions, please subscribe to my channel.